Cluttered kitchen and messy cabinets? These smart Amazon finds are here to upgrade your space with better organization and more storage. From kitchen hacks to space-saving essentials, everything is designed to make life easier. All products are linked in the description below for quick access. Starting with number 1, the Tea Bloom Heatproof Glass Teapot Set is a premium and elegant essential for any kitchen. Made from high-quality heat-resistant glass, it lets you brew tea safely while watching it steep. The removable infuser works perfectly for loose leaf and blooming teas. It gives you a relaxing, cafe-style tea experience right at home. Overall, it makes tea preparation simple, smooth, and enjoyable every day. Number 2, the ProKeeper Clear Plastic Container Set, a smart and modern storage solution that helps you keep your pantry clean, organized, and easy to manage. The airtight sealing system locks in freshness, keeping your flour, sugar, pasta, and dry foods protected for longer. The clear design lets you instantly see what's inside, so you never have to guess or dig through cluttered shelves. It's stackable, space-saving, and designed to make your kitchen look more organized, efficient, and visually clean while simplifying your daily cooking routine. Number 3, the Command Large Organizing Caddy, a simple yet highly practical solution that helps you keep your everyday essentials neatly stored and easy to carry around. Whether it's cleaning supplies, kitchen tools, or bathroom items, this caddy keeps everything in one place so you can grab and go without any mess. It helps reduce clutter, saves time during daily tasks, and makes your home feel more organized and efficient while keeping items easily accessible whenever you need them. Number 4, the Amazon Basics Stackable Storage Shelves, a smart space-saving solution that instantly maximizes your storage area. These shelves let you stack and organize items vertically, making the most of unused space in your kitchen, pantry, or cabinets. They help keep everything neatly arranged, easy to access, and clearly visible, while reducing clutter and improving overall organization. It's a simple upgrade that makes your space more efficient, clean, and well-structured. Number 5, the Simple Houseware Stackable Can Organizer, a smart kitchen solution that keeps your canned foods neatly arranged and easy to access. Instead of cluttered shelves, this organizer lets you stack cans in a clean, structured way so everything stays visible and within reach. It helps save space, reduces mess in your pantry, and makes cooking and grocery management much more efficient and organized. All products links are in description below. Number 6, the Rubbermaid Freshworks Produce Saver, a smart storage solution that helps keep your fruits and vegetables fresher for longer. It's designed to control airflow and moisture, which helps reduce spoilage and keeps your produce crisp and fresh. The clear design also lets you easily see what's inside, making your fridge more organized, clean, and efficient while reducing food waste. Number 7, the Yasonic 3-Tier Rolling Cart, a versatile and space-saving storage solution that helps you organize and move items with ease. With 3 spacious tiers, it's perfect for kitchen supplies, pantry items, or even bathroom essentials. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move anywhere you need, while keeping everything neatly organized, accessible, and clutter-free. It's a simple upgrade that makes your space more functional and efficient. Number 8, the Reel and Under Sink Organizer, a smart space-saving solution that transforms the messy area under your sink into a clean and organized storage space. It's designed with multiple tiers to neatly store cleaning supplies, bottles, and essentials while making everything easy to access. It helps reduce clutter, maximizes hidden space, and keeps your kitchen or bathroom looking more organized and efficient. Number 9, the reusable beeswax wrap, an eco-friendly alternative to plastic wrap that helps you store food in a more natural and sustainable way. It's perfect for covering fruits, vegetables, snacks, or leftovers while keeping them fresh. The breathable material helps preserve food longer, reduces plastic waste, and makes your kitchen more organized, clean, and environmentally friendly. Number 10, the Amazon Basics 20 Jar Spice Organizer, a complete spice storage solution that keeps your kitchen neat, organized, and easy to use. With 20 clear jars, it lets you store all your essential spices in one place, making them easy to find while cooking. The uniform design saves space, reduces clutter, and adds a clean, modern look to your kitchen while improving your daily cooking efficiency. Number 11, the Caraway 1QT Glass Airtight Food Storage, a premium and stylish storage solution that keeps your dry foods fresh, safe, and beautifully organized. The airtight seal locks in freshness while protecting against moisture and air, and the clear glass design lets you easily see what's inside. It's stackable, space-saving, and adds a clean, modern aesthetic to your kitchen while making your pantry more efficient and organized. Number 12, the OXO Good Grips Mini Pop Containers, compact, airtight storage that keeps small pantry items fresh and organized. With an easy push-button seal, they're perfect for spices, snacks, and ingredients while saving space and reducing kitchen clutter. Number 13, the Mind Reader Tea Station Organizer, a smart and compact way to keep your tea bags, sugar packets, and coffee essentials perfectly organized in one place. It helps you create a clean and dedicated beverage station, making everything easy to find and access. The multi-compartment design reduces clutter, saves counter space, and gives your kitchen or office a neat, cafe-style setup that looks organized and efficient. Number 14, the Mind Single-Serve Coffee Pod Drawer, a smart and space-saving organizer that keeps your coffee pods neatly stored and easy to access. It slides smoothly under your coffee machine, helping you save counter space while keeping everything organized in one place. It reduces clutter, speeds up your morning routine, and gives your coffee station a clean, modern, and efficient look. Number 15, the Simple Houseware Expandable Kitchen Drawer Organizer, a space-saving, adjustable tray that keeps your utensils neatly sorted, reduces clutter, and makes your kitchen more organized and efficient. All products links are in description below. Number 16, the Umbra Estique Over-the-Door Multi-Use Organizer, a smart space-saving solution that turns unused door space into functional storage. It's perfect for hanging and organizing daily essentials like bags, accessories, or kitchen items, keeping everything easily accessible and neatly arranged. It helps reduce clutter, saves floor and counter space, and gives your home a more organized and modern look. Number 17, the Spicy Shelf Expandable Spice Rack, a smart and adjustable solution that keeps your spices neatly organized and easy to access. The expandable two-tier design lets you customize it to fit your cabinet perfectly, while making all your spices visible at once. It saves space, reduces clutter, and makes cooking faster and more efficient by keeping everything within reach. Number 18, the Joseph Drawer Store Knife Organizer, a smart and safe way to store your knives while keeping your drawers neat and organized. The compact design fits easily inside your drawer, separating each knife to prevent damage and improve safety. It helps reduce countertop clutter, keeps blades protected, and makes your kitchen look cleaner and more efficient. Number 19, the MadeSmart 2-Tier Organizer, a smart space-saving solution that doubles your storage, keeps items visible and easy to reach, reduces clutter, and helps you stay organized and efficient every day. Number 20, the Decava Under-Sink Organizer, a smart and space-saving solution that transforms your under-sink area into a clean and organized storage space. The multi-tier design lets you neatly store cleaning supplies, bottles, and essentials while keeping everything easy to access. It reduces clutter, maximizes unused space, and makes your kitchen or bathroom more efficient and organized. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart Amazon finds.